From the moment your alarm clock buzzes, you're bombarded with decisions. Hit snooze or jumpstart your day. Coffee or tea. Life is a tapestry woven with countless choices, big and small. Understanding how these decisions differ can empower you to make smarter choices both in your personal life and at work. Let's start with the basics. Programmed and non-programmed decisions. Imagine driving a familiar route. That's a programmed decision. You've done it countless times before, and your brain's on autopilot. It's efficient, requiring minimal conscious thought. Now, picture navigating an unfamiliar city. You're faced with new routes, unexpected detours, and unforeseen challenges. This is a non-programmed decision. It requires active problem-solving, analysis, and a bit of intuition. Next up, we have operational and strategic decisions. Operational decisions are like the gears that keep a machine running smoothly. They're about the day-to-day operations, ensuring everything runs like clockwork. Think scheduling meetings, ordering office supplies, or approving expense reports. Strategic decisions, on the other hand, are all about the big picture. They shape the long-term direction of an individual or organization. Imagine setting career goals, expanding into a new market, or developing a groundbreaking product. These decisions are high impact and require careful consideration. Finally, we have personal and organizational decisions. As the name suggests, personal decisions impact your own life, aligning with your values, goals, and aspirations. Choosing a life partner, pursuing a hobby, or deciding where to live are all examples of personal decisions. Organizational decisions, conversely, are made within the context of a company or group. They aim to achieve organizational goals, often involving multiple stakeholders, and impacting the broader team. Approving a budget, hiring new employees, or launching a marketing campaign all fall under organizational decisions. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effective decision-making. Why? Because it allows you to approach each decision with the appropriate level of analysis, creativity, and collaboration. Recognizing a decision as programmed frees up mental bandwidth for more complex issues. Identifying a decision as strategic prompts you to gather diverse perspectives and consider long-term implications. Let's illustrate with examples. Ordering your usual coffee is a programmed decision. It's a routine choice made without much thought. However, deciding to open a coffee shop is a strategic, non-programmed decision. It requires extensive market research, financial planning, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit. Similarly, choosing what to wear to work might be a personal, operational decision. But deciding to implement a company-wide dress code is an organizational, strategic decision with broader implications for company culture and employee morale. Mastering the art of decision-making is an ongoing journey. By understanding the different types of decisions, we can develop a framework for approaching choices with greater clarity and confidence. Whether it's a mundane daily routine or a life-altering decision, recognizing the nature of the choice empowers us to navigate the complexities of life with greater awareness and intention. What decisions are you grappling with today? Share your thoughts, and let's discuss how understanding these decision-making frameworks can help us all make better choices.